Hi, I'm Angela Rose, and I'm going to show you today how to use your motorized shades. It's not too hard. I'm going to show you how to charge your shades, how the remote works, and how you use your app. So this is cool. The charge on your shades holds for 6 to 12 months, okay? But when they're ready to charge again, you're just going to take this cord, and underneath here, there's a little port where you plug it in. Once you plug it in, there's a green light that turns on. You're gonna let that charge 4 to 6 hours, or just leave it overnight. Then you'll unplug it, and it'll be good to go for another 6 to 12 months. So here's a close-up of the remote that you're gonna get with your motorized shades. Here's something that's cool. You can actually program it to have each of the individual windows go by themselves, or have them all go at the same time. All right, if I want just like this window to go, we're gonna go to window 3. I'm gonna show you now how you can stop it. So you're gonna go down, and then at any point you can stop them. So these motorized shades actually also pair with the Shade Flow app. And when you come in here, you can categorize everything by room, and within each room, you can set scenes, you can have different timers, and you can control your windows as well.